Hello, amazing people out there. I hope you all are good. My name is Sheikh Wasi, and today I'm back with a new video in which I'm going to share you some of my life learning from my childhood, from my school days. Yes, guys. So, one thing to understand here, we all learn from our mistakes, and we all learn from our life experience, and we grow up. And we didn't have that much time to commit a mistake and improvise that, and we grow from there. So we need to learn from others life stories. Like we need to read these self-help books, and we need to follow some successful people's life stories and learn from their mistake and learn from their success, and so that it could we'll find we will have answer for all of our life problem and situations. So yes, guys. So today I'm going to share my life learnings, what are the takeaways, and what are the learnings I took away from my school life, which is going to be help us, like our generation people, for and in our life to succeed. So what are the key learnings from my school life? First one is the discipline. Yes, sir. Discipline is very important in our life, to achieve anything. Basically, to achieve anything in our life, discipline is very important. Yes, guys. Remember, whenever we are kid, whenever we started going school, we woke up in morning 5 o'clock. We started ready for going to school, and we go to school. We do all of these things very disciplinedly. I don't know from our parents' pressure or from school teachers' pressure, but yes, guys, discipline is very important in our life. In first thing, you go any of these institute, any of this school. They for Before they started teaching books and all, they started teaching discipline first. So you need to be disciplined in order to achieve anything in our life. So yes, guys, I need here discipline is the habit you need to be carry forward from your school life to your professional life. And yes, guys, you see you seen this topper of these classes and all. They all are disciplined guys. They are not like misdisciplined guys. They all are disciplined guys who are achieving great in the school. They are disciplined. They are very disciplined. They are consistent enough. So yes, and the second key learnings from my which I have been I carry forward from my life, from my school to my professional life, is consistency. Yes, guys, consistency is very important in our life. Yes, it's like consistency is the key to success. There is nothing like perfectism. You need to be consistent enough to do something to be perfect. So if you are doing something in your life, you need to be consistent. So in our childhood, whenever I remember my grandfather and my mother, my father, they all teaches us that whatever you are doing, be consistent. Like if you are going for some exercise, you need to be consistent. If you are studying, you need to be consistent. You need to be study every day, so that you will improve. If whenever I when I started learning letters for when in the first, they teaches us like you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent enough. You need to be do it like 100 times, 10 times, like 10 times you need to be write it, and you will be perfect in that. So yes, guys, from consistency is a key learning I need to be carry forward from my school life to my professional life to achieve big things. And third key learning is high goals. Yes, guys, remember whenever we are child, we are open, we are like in a one movie is going inside our mind, and the hero of that movie is we ourselves. So we are like, I want to be a pilot, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a engineer, I want to be an actor, I want to be an astronaut. And these big things are going on inside our mind. But after some days, whenever we are completed our schooling and our college, we face these life challenges. Slowly we forget these things, and we are back to this mediocrity and this uncertainty and mediocrity, and we started living a mediocre life. So you need that high, aiming high. You need, one habit is I want to carry forward from my school days to my professional life. Like I'm a software engineer, like I'm a software development student now. If I if my ultimate goal is to be a software engineer. So the average salary of a software engineer as a fresher is like 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum. So if I dream like that, like I need to be 3 to 3.5 LPA, then I'll put that much effort only, and I will get that much only. But there is so many jobs. There are so many big jobs which offering big packages. There are also in the market, and people are get it by their efforts, by their commitment, by their hard work. So I need to be dream big. I need to be dream like 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakhs per annum. Yes, guys, these packages are available in the market. You need to be work hard, you need to be consistent, you need to be disciplined. For that you need to be put more effort. So if I aim big, then I know for achieving that, how much effort I need to be put on that. So that I can achieve that mark. So you need to be aim very high. Whatever you are doing in that field, you need to be aim high. So yes, guys, this that aiming high, I want to carry forward from my school life. Like a child, I need to be believe in myself that I can do anything whatever I dreamed of. So I need to be dream big. So yes, guys, this habit I need to be carry forward from my school days to my professional life to achieve big things. The another one thing which I need to carry forward this habit to my professional life is be fearless. Yes, guys, remember whenever I was a kid, I was a kid. Whatever I like, whatever I feel to do it, I'm very fearless like a kid. I don't have negative thoughts inside me. I don't have any negative disbelief inside me. I whenever I was a kid, as a kid, I thought that, and I'll do it. So be fearless. This habit I need to be carry forward to my professional life. Like I need to be take risk. I need to be take risk in order to achieve big things. Because if I am playing safe inside my comfort zone, I didn't get what I need. If I dreamed big, if I dreamed big, like a bigger package, I need to be take risk. I need to be take bigger risk to achieve that. So be fearless. Don't fear that you don't what happen if I fail. If you fail, if you fail, you have that experience, and you learn from them, and next time you 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 what go for that with a bang of that experience. and so be fearless like a child. Like whenever a child is started walking, he fall many a time. Whenever a child started learning a bicycle, he fall many a time, but he is fearless. He want to do that. He After that, his commitment, and after so many time of failing, finally he succeeded. So yes, and another one, and the learning which I want to carry forward from my school to my professional life is believing in hard work. Yes guys, this is very important. Like whenever we are kids, there is no shortcuts. Whenever something given to us, something homework, something task given to us, we believe in hard work. So if we are as a kid, our mind is we need to be do this. If something is a kid feeling happy to do it, he do it by hook or crook. So another one key learning I want to carry forward from my school life to the professional life is believing in hard work. Yes, whenever we are kid, whenever we are in school, we do massive hard work. But after sometimes, whenever we go to colleges, like we don't do hard work. Like yes, we have this our college mindset is like, we have these topics, these are important topics, we need to be read that, and we read only and go to the exam and we'll write that and we'll be getting good marks. But whatever what we are gaining from that, only some topics, and which we mug up and go to the exam and write it and get a mark. That is no hard work. We need to be learned from the school life. In school life, in everything, in studies, in extracurricular activities, in sports, in everything, we are putting massive hard work there. We are putting massive hard work to do that homework, do that sports, playing that sports, and for extracurricular activities like singing, dancing, and all. So this thing I need to be carry forward from my school life to my professional life. I need to be do massive hard work. So if I need a job of 10 lakh per annum as a fresher, or as a software developer, so I need to be do massive hard work. I need to be do like like SOPs, sorry, proof of POC, like proof of concepts and all. I need to learn multiple languages, and I need to be learn multiple not language, like multiple technologies. I need to practice that. I need to be very good in I need to be spend some time in myself to improve my communication skills, and just do whatever is required for that, for me to achieve that bigger package. I need to be do some what R&Ds, in job portals, like what what are the skill required for that much package. I need to figure out that. I need to be learn them. I need to be prepared that quality of resume, and I need to be go to the interview with the bank, so that I can achieve that much of bigger package. Yes, and one another thing which I learn, I need that school kids are need to be learn is that ethics. Yes, so ethic learning is very very important in school life. Like we are some of the parents, they are teaching their student how that ethics. work, ethics to approach any life situation. But not most of the parents or most of the schools are doing this. So I personally thought that ethics are very important to fit inside your inside a kid, so that a kid grown with that values, and whenever he open to the world, that ethics, that values will reflect inside the society. And another one thing I need to be, and I need to be include in that, like if I get a chance to learn coding and all in the school life itself, then I may be a good good programmer or good developer, like from now I may be a good programmer. So this if I am interested in these things, if someone is interested in singing, if someone is interested in entrepreneur, if someone is interested in dancing, then they need to be school need to be provide that things, instead of studying like math, physics. These are okay, but all people are not, all students are not not like feeling comfortable with these things. They may be good at something else. So I feel that our education system will do something about this. Yes, and now one education system came that include these things. It is very a good plan that need to be implement. And yes, we need to be, the student need to be that much open, that much curious about. We need curious student, so to learn these things. Yes, so these are my key learnings from my school life, which I need to be carry forward to my professional life, to achieve to balance my life and to achieve big things in my life. So I hope it will add some value into your life. And I hope you like it. If you like it, you applied it in your life, and you will be seeing great results. So this is it for today. I will be back with another video tomorrow, and thank you. This is Sheikh Wasi signing off for today. Thank you.